This is a quick video for Robert. This is your Cayman motor, not M97.21, which is 2006 to 2008 3.4 liter Cayman S with the VarioCam Plus. This motor looks like it's been apart before. There's a lot of markings on it, and the sealant is not consistent with the factory sealant. These cams have been out, it appears, and the case has some of the same sealant as well. The main concern, though, is if this crank is going to be reusable, because the #1 rod bearing had spun and looks pretty nasty. So these cranks get ovalized and there are no oversized bearings, and the crank is heat treated, so you can't really weld it. You really just need to get a different crank. Just wanted to give you an update and show you what you got. Obviously, the bore scoring is quite bad, especially on the Bank 2 side of the motor, and we'll go from here. Thanks, Robert.